Huh?
What's the wagon do? I don't need to wave. My flag is the
It's a Brittany boy. Oh no, I'm scared. Oh no, those girls are scared too. Let's see how scared they are. Oh no, there he is. Oh, he is scary. Oh no. Oh, oh where? Yeah, okay. Let's get a picture of those girls. Hi, girls. Can you say something like "Happy birthday, Brendan"?
Happy birthday, Brendan.
Yeah. Okay.
Smile.
Hi, Leora. You're a sweet girl. You'll see yourself on the picture.
We were going to have it for dessert after lunch today. We have a brand new one because we got it at the grocery store.
Happy
Act like a mandarin, and you smell like wine do.
Yay.
Cha-cha-cha. You got
To wait for him to blow out the candles?
Yeah, this
I did.
Did you make a wish?
No. Not yet.
I'm going to walk in.
Your candles. Do you want me to help? Me too?
Yay!
I found it. Brendan. Just tell him that. You want me to read it? You read it. Okay. Look under the blue pouch. Blue pouch.
Take it.
Do it! Go, 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 go! Do it! Get after! Here, get him going.
You don't have to fight with weapons. You're too smart. You tired?
I did not have
Are you tired, honey?
I didn't either.
You're tired. Honey, do you want to put on the movies again?
You mean so we can watch it?
Yeah,
Okay.
because that might calm them down.
Okay. How about a final statement about Brendan's birthday party?
No.
You're not going to have it again next year?
I'll tell you in about 11 months.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye.